guys, welcome to my channel, All Things Logic. I'm Jeremy Hawes. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to just start with an audio track, your first audio track, like using a microphone through an audio interface to either record vocals or record your amp with a microphone, or acoustic instrument like acoustic guitar, woodwinds or something like that. Yeah, real simple. Without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. If you guys want to follow along, I'm going to go ahead and open up Logic Pro here, and we're going to create a new project here. And so I've already got it on the right because I'm always recording with microphones, my amps, vocals, all that stuff. So anyways, if you're over on a different square, just go over here and make sure it says audio and it lights up blue, and make sure it says micro line right here, okay? And I'm using my input one on my audio interface, so I'm going to keep this all the same, and I'm going to hit create. Everything I'm doing is a left click with my mouse, so I'll let you know if it's a right click, okay? So yeah, check out, you might want to, if you don't know how to use an audio interface, just ask Google, or check out another channel out on YouTube. This is just about Logic Pro, so I'm going to try to keep it as much about just this part. But real quick, just let you know what I'm doing is I'm going straight in through my input one on my audio interface with my microphone here, okay? I got it all plugged in. There's my SM58, and I got that plugged in, and and you want your signal to not be clipping in the red. So let me see. Check. Yeah, it's in the green. Checkity. All right, that's about. I'm just gonna keep it out there, and make sure that your audio interface also says micro line, okay, not instrument, okay. And depending on what type of mic you have, also if you have a condenser, you might need to use the phantom power, the 48 volt thing there. But we're not gonna be doing that right now. Okay, this is the default audio track. This is a clean track, nothing added to it, no plugins, nothing yet, okay? So this is input monitoring. So if you have plugins put on it, reverb, all that stuff, this is how you hear it. And then this is the armed track, so you can record, okay? Now you see my my level meter, basically. Check. That's about where we want it. That's good enough. Hey. All right, cool. So I'm gonna put on my headphones so I can hear it a little better. There we go. Check, 1, 2, check. All right, okay. I hope that wasn't too loud, guys. And we're going to go ahead and turn off everything except, there we go. I'm going to arm this guy. I'm going to put the cycle on. And if you don't know what I'm doing, all these other things, I have a beginner's guide for Logic Pro. Just check out my channel, All Things Logic, and you can learn how to just get started with Logic a little bit. So that's good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and check out some of the plugins real quick for vocals, or just a reverb maybe. That'll work. Actually, let me see. There we go. There's echo, there's delay, designer, there's distortion. Oh, there we go. It looks like, no, I'm just going to keep it. Well, which one do I want to choose? I'm just going to keep it simple. Pitch correction, vocal transformer. Yeah, reverb will work. There's some reverb on there, I guess, and spaces on here. Check. There we go. That's nice. Hey, nice. All right, I'm gonna turn that down maybe just a little bit. Check. Actually, I'll do this. Let's do it another way. Check. Maybe I'll just turn it down. Check. There we go. Check. There. All right, not too much. We don't want too much on it, okay? So let me do this. Check. All right, okay. I haven't warmed up today, so I'll just throw something in there real quick, give you an idea. Whoops, I want that off. Let's start that over again. Now I can see all these lies and suffering always seem to blind my eye. Is what it is. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and make another track. I want a duplicate track, so I'm going to right click on this guy, the track already, and go down and hit new track duplicate settings. Make the exact same settings, everything the same with the reverb, or you can go to here and just do a new track and do that all over again, but we're going to keep it here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a it's a double basically. So I'm gonna left ear the old one and right ear this one. Make sure if you want to hear the playback, this playback, watch. Let me hit playback. You're not gonna hear it if this is on right here, this guy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this and turn this off. Now you'll be able to hear it again. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do another take of that, and here we go. Suffering always seem to blind my eyes. I'm not very good at acapella, obviously, but now I'm going to turn off the input monitoring and the arm. You got to always arm it, and the track you're using, hit R to arm it. And I'm going to play that back real quick.
I can see all these lies and suffering.
Just bring them back. It's pretty cool, huh? So what you can do is basically go to edit and hit undo and undo and this is your undo until you get back whatever you just erased. And we'll keep that because that's good enough. So let's hit that play real quick and take off input monitoring. All right, so we got that. Now I'm going to do one more track just to give it some spice here. I'm going to do the same thing. Actually, I'll go ahead and cancel this. We're going to make just a duplicate. So this track here, I'm going to right click on that and go down there, left click on new track, duplicate settings. And we're going to arm this. And I'm going to turn up this a little louder. Here we go. And this will be right down the middle. Turn on the recycle and
I can see. I can see all these lies and suffering always seem to blind my eyes.
Not very good at all. All right, so we're going to go ahead and unarm this and input monitoring, and we're going to play it again without the click.
I can see all these lies and suffering always seem to blind my eyes.
That's really slow, but that's okay. See, you guys get the idea. I'm not trying to do anything perfect here because I'll be here all day. And I'll be standing up singing if I'm trying to get this right. So, yeah, so that's basically, and you know, I have another video showing you how to use microline with guitars and with amp, and how to do two tracks with one take, like split up your guitar through a DI box. So one track is your, like my 6505 Plus through a speaker with the microphone recording it, and the other one with the same take I get another track that's a dry signal that I can add an amp sim to it and blend those two, or later on if I don't like my amp recording of my 6505 Plus, my first track, I can reamp it with the other one. It's always good to get a dry signal when you're using you know, when you're recording with, especially if you're doing guitars and using a live amp and stuff. And I prefer to blend those with the amp sim and use the actual real thing, and you get the best of both worlds. But yeah, so I have other videos showing you more how to use do vocals and use effects on a more in depth, all the different effects. Yeah, just keep an eye out for it. I'll put out one soon. So I hope that's helpful, guys. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, anything to do with Logic Pro on your Mac, iPad, or iPhone, please check out my channel, All Things Logic. If you want to learn how to use Logic Pro's little brother, GarageBand, it's completely free. Please check out my channel, All Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Haas. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. That leaves it wide open. Yeah, get some. See you guys.